Knowledge Bandara, an animated video presenting the world's best-selling books. Hello friends, welcome back to Knowledge Bandara. Are you fascinated by the enigmatic world of astrology? Have you ever wondered about intricacies of your personality, your current behavior, or why aren't you capable of possessing some of other people's great qualities? In this video, I will delve into the depths of Vedic astrology, also known as Indian astrology, unraveling the mysterious behind the 12 zodiac signs and the 9 grahas. I have broken down this video into two parts. Let's explore all 9 grahas in this video. Vedic astrology or Jyotishya is indeed deeply rooted in Hindu Dharma and is used to understand an individual's characteristics, strengths, and challenges. The grahas or planets play a significant role in shaping one's destiny and life experiences. It is practiced deeply intertwined with the birth of child, wherein meticulous records of time and place are carefully preserved. These details are woven into an astrological chart, intricately connected with celestial bodies known as Navagrahas. These Navagrahas encompasses the Sun, Surya, Moon, Chandra, Mars, Mangala, Mercury, Buddha, Jupiter, Brihaspati or Guru, Venus, Shukra, Saturn, Shani, and the enigmatic Rahu and Ketu. The term Graha finds its roots in Sanskrit, signifying to grasp. While these Grahas may not perfectly align with the 9 planets known to us, they serve as ethereal counterparts to their physical counterparts. Through the performance of specific pujas, pariharas, or rituals, we can exert a measure of influence over these Grahas, thereby molding their impact on an individual's life. However, it's crucial to acknowledge that certain karmas are unalterable, demanding acceptance and accountability for their consequences. The power of will and strong mindset can work wonders in shaping karmas. Interestingly, even those who do not believe in higher power, such as atheists, have achieved remarkable success in their life. Their unwavering willpower has been driving force behind their accomplishments. Now, let us delve into the unique qualities of each grahas and explore how their influence shapes an individual's nature. We will uncover the positive and negative effects of these celestial bodies on our horoscopes. Let us begin with Sun, the first graha in our exploration. According to Vedic astrology, the Sun is recognized as a graha or a planet. When the Sun exerts its influence on an individual during specific phases, it can bestow qualities such as fame, leadership, and unwavering confidence. In fact, a positive aspected Sun is believed to have potential to alleviate certain health issues. However, the Sun also casts shadows with some negative aspects. Excessive influence from the Sun can lead to egoism and arrogance in a person. Conversely, if the Sun's presence is weakened, it may result in a lack of confidence and a constant sense of insecurity. Such individuals may be especially susceptible to flattery, readily falling into the praise-induced comfort zone. Criticism, on the other hand, can significantly unsettle them. Next in line is the Moon, also known as Chandra. In the realm of Vedic astrology, the Moon symbolizes our mind. A strong Moon presence within one's birth chart can indicate emotional self-control and can innate ability to maintain inner stability even during challenging and stressful times. It's crucial to recognize that the human mind is a dynamic entity where emotions fluctuate, leading to happiness on some days and sadness on the others. The man has profound influence on an individual's happiness and joy. Those with a strong moon can navigate tough situations without succumbing to panic. Their remarkable ability to stay composed even in the face of sudden disasters sets them apart. In contrast, individuals with a weak moon may find it challenging to cope with even with the slightest disturbances, even reacting with a sense of chaos. Now, let's turn our attention to Mercury, also referred to as Buddha. Buddha is often associated with a youthful and playful nature. It shines in the realm of comedy and possesses excellent memory. Those blessed with a strong Buddha tend to be proficient in multiple languages. Excelling in communication, they effortlessly perform well in academics, approaching their tasks with a high-hearted and stress-free attitude. However, it's important to note that the flip side of Mercury can bring about challenges. Miscommunication can lead to various disturbances, creating a need for caution. Furthermore, a negative influence from Mercury may result in issues related to impotency or confusion concerning matters of sexuality and intimacy. Now we move on to Mars, also known as Mangala Graha, often regarded as the warrior planet. Individuals with a prominently strong Mars find their calling in professions like the police force, the army, or in sports. They exhibit a high level of assertiveness and confidence. Mars is closely associated with Narasimha, one of the avatars of Lord Vishnu, representing strength and fearlessness. However, it's worth noting that a negative influence from Mars can lead to a condition known as Mangala Dosha, which is associated with unfortunate events like the death of a spouse or a divorce. In modern times, there are various pujas and rituals available to mitigate the effects of Mangala Dosha. By matching the horoscopes or seeking remedies, it is possible to neutralize the adverse influence of Mars. Additionally, Mars influence is often linked to blood-related issues. Next, we have Venus, also known as Shukra. Those with a strong Venus influence often find their calling in artistic realms, such as painting or poetry. More significantly, they possess a profound appreciation for aesthetics. The reference to Shukra stems from Shukracharya, who served as Guru of Asuras. Shukracharya was a devoted worshipper of Lord Shiva and had the extraordinary ability to revive the lives of Asuras. In a tale of divine anger, Shiva swallowed him and Shukracharya emerged from the Shiva's reproductive organ. Consequently, Shukra is sometimes symbolically associated with semen. Individuals with a powerful Venus tend to exude youthful aura, resisting the aging process. They are often talented and passionate about achieving their goals. Venus also governs the realm of jewelry, making it essential for success in jewelry business to possess a strong Venus influence. Now we move on to Jupiter, often referred to as Guru. Jupiter symbolizes wisdom and it is also associated with the wealth and gold. Individuals with a strong Jupiter presence often find themselves in a comfortable financial position, as they tend to earn their riches through ethical means. Jupiter holds a special place as the Guru of all Devatas, emphasizing the importance of not taking shortcuts to amass the wealth. It's important to note that Jupiter is considered one of the heaviest among all planets, and those with a strong Jupiter influence may tend to gain weight. Moreover, individuals blessed with Jupiter's favor often attain higher levels of education and exhibit a more spiritual nature. On the flip side, a negative Jupiter influence can contribute to severe illness, including diseases like cancer, and may lead to weight gain and high blood pressure. Next, the most interesting graha, Saturn, known as Shani in Vedic astrology. According to Hindu mythology, Shani is regarded as son of Surya. There is a fascinating dynamic between Shani and Surya, as Shani holds a strong disapproval towards Surya, mainly due to Sun's representation of ego and confidence. Shani, on the other hand, favors individuals who embody discipline and a strong work ethic. When one is the influence of Shani, it is imperative to adopt a humble and hard-working attitude. Remarkably, humility can lead to Shani bestowing immense wealth, surpassing the capacity of other grahas. Shani stands firmly against injustice and falsehood, and such behaviors may lead to legal repercussions, including imprisonment. Negative influence from Shani can manifest in extreme laziness, which can result in prolonged and challenging troubles. It's crucial to recognize that when Shani causes difficulties, these challenges may persist over an extended period. Therefore, humility and hard work are strongly advised. Additionally, dedicating time to prayers such as Hanuman Chalisa can be beneficial in mitigating Shani's adverse effects. Now we delve into Rahu, a fascinating graha with a unique mythological background. Rahu is essentially an asura who cunningly attempted to consume Amrita, the nectar of immortality from the cosmic ocean. However, this act incurred the wrath of Lord Vishnu. As Amrita was intended solely for Devatas, in response, Vishnu severed Rahu's head before Amrita could reach the body. The result was the division into two parts. Rahu is head and Ketu is tail. Rahu is believed to possess the unique ability to eclipse the sun and moon, symbolizing its mastery over illusion and imagination. Those under Rahu's influence tend to excel in the acquisition of diverse information but may struggle to digest it fully. Given Rahu's lack of physical body, individuals with a strong Rahu influence exhibit exceptional bravery and possess the talent for unraveling conspiracies, making them well suited for careers in detective work, politics, or intelligence agencies. Furthermore, Rahu's domain extends to technology, a fitting match for contemporary age of internet, YouTube, and content creation. Indeed, Rahu's blessings are considered indispensable for success in digital era. Now let's explore the final graha, Ketu. Often seen as the counterpart of Rahu, Ketu is distinct in that it lacks a head, making it symbol of mindlessness and irrationality. Whenever Ketu is positioned in one's birth chart, it predominantly influences the area of work, often guided by intuition and organic feelings. In the realm of relationships, particularly in marriages, a sense of disconnection may be present. It can feel as though the two parties are living as roommates rather than forging a deeper connection. Ketu is associated with spirituality and an exceptional level of mathematical ability, where we are not talking about ordinary skills here. We are referring to the kind of mathematical prowess seen in international mathematical geniuses or super grandmasters in chess. So that's it. That concludes our discussion on all 9 grahas. In our next video, we will delve deeper into how these grahas manifest within individual astrological charts. I hope you all have liked it. Please subscribe for more such videos. Bye.